We've seen many door manufacturers. We've investigated and looked into really what our best options are. And no matter what we do, it continually just diverts back to ProVia. For starters, they're an Amish company out of Sugar Creek, Ohio. We all know when we think of Amish people, we think of very high quality craftsmanship, and that definitely holds true with ProVia. They give many, many different options as well. They've got steel slabs, they have fiberglass slabs, they have many different glass options, which allows the homeowner to be creative as it pertains to what they want that front door to look like. The front door is a lot of times the first thing that people pay attention to. And they really want it to be a statement piece, and ProVia allows for that to happen. People consider all wood products. We've sold a few. However, we don't recommend them based upon the performance. They're absolutely beautiful, but you don't get the performance and the longevity of that product without the continued maintenance that comes along with it. And that's one of the things that we get with ProVia. They've got their Signet Fiberglass series. They have their Heritage Fiberglass series. Those are the series that we definitely recommend if you're looking for a textured product. If you want stain, I would not go with this textured steel door. We would direct you towards a fiberglass slab. They have many different wood species to choose from, whether it's oak, cherry, mahogany, knotty alder, or fir. They give you a complete package. You get finished interior trim, finished exterior trim, man-made thresholds that are continuous that run constantly across the bottom of that door. All the small, minute features. Really what it comes down to it comes down to their attention to detail and the smallest of things that most people wouldn't even take into consideration.